about 20 minutes before I got my first order. It is going to be a stacked Walmart, $23 going less than 10 miles. If I can complete it within the hour, I should still be on pace. I think that's going to depend mainly on how quickly it comes out to me though. Finally made it, and I am the only person here. I see movement. That was quick. Nice. That order came out within like 2 minutes of getting here, so I like that. Oh, this next drop-off is literally like 2 streets over, so unless my car explodes on the way there, I should definitely complete it within the hour. I got this order at the perfect time. I got it as soon as I got to the entrance for it. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 1 mile, 4 items. I guess I'm grabbing a cart, because I don't really need one. Oh wait, here we go. Coke Zero.
Welcome.
We've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $10 going 2 miles, 4 items. I'm not entirely sure if this place is actually open or not. Not yet, no. I'm doing a shopping order, so I'm just kind of lost. Next order up, we've got another shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 4 miles, 6 items. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is going to be $10 going 6 miles, 3 items. This could go one of 2 ways. One, I am in and out of here within 2 minutes, or I am scrambling, looking around for substitutes. Wish me luck. These, do you know if you have those?
Hey, do you guys have single roses?
Blue hydrangeas, no.
No.
Single roses, yeah, I was actually on my break. No blue hydrangeas, honey. We have freight, like my load is tomorrow, but like Sundays is kind of, ooh, they shouldn't shop for flowers on Sunday.
Okay.
The only other kind of blue I have is these.
Okay. That's okay.
They're pretty, but they're like long and little, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
But yeah, that's it, pretty.
I'll figure it out. Thank you. You too. I'm going with sunflowers, I guess.
Welcome.
All right, I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna affect my pay on this order, because first of all, I got substitutes. Second of all, the item count was different. Probably not even getting full pay. I'm blaming you guys on this one. You didn't wish me luck. Next order up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. This one is gonna be $11 going just under 5 miles. Bit of a wait there, but we got it. Oh, that's weird. These two are going to the same neighborhood, but it's making me drop off the one that is further first. Like, I literally have to drive by one of the drop-offs to get to the other one. And it's making me drop off the further one first. Next up, we've got an order for Peachtree Restaurant. This one isn't amazing, but I'm just taking it to keep busy. This is $8 going 5 miles. Okay, never mind on that one. We just got a letter. We just got 2 shop and delivers for PetSmart. I believe each one only has 1 item, so it's pretty good. And it's gonna be $19 going 7 miles. I think it's this one. I don't think they have this. Unless it's this. What is that one?
Hi, welcome PetSmart.
Probably could have held out for a better order here, but I just want to stay busy. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $7 going 3 miles, 2 items. Actually, this is a better order. Okay, we got a stack going to the same person, shop and deliver for alcohol, and picking up from a place called the Pita Pit, $16 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Why are you wearing camera?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Wish I was lying about that. And then just scribble on that for me.
Scribbles.
Good enough for me.
I like that.
Well, thank you. My tummy is starting to yell at me, so I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 11:50. Total is gonna be 108. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.